What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Mac Office, Microsoft PowerPoint, all the tricks and tips that you need to know. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to your dock, click on Microsoft PowerPoint, and when you click that you see all these templates. I'll just click the first one, nice and basic. Get rid of that, get rid of this. So now we have a full page we can work on. So if I go back to Home, Themes, Tables, go to Themes, Slide Size. So it can be a standard 4:3, widescreen. So if I was to play this PowerPoint, it would show the whole screen up. Well, not even that. If I go to widescreen, this takes up the whole screen. So F5, and there you go. I can add a title. How to use PowerPoint. My name, and then we can change the color if we want to. Turn this to black. We can also change the font if we want to, just to Arial or anything of your choice. So if I change the font of this to Arial 2, we can also change the size of this if you wanted to. So we can say 40, or let's just go to 18, see what happens. Command Z reverts it back to normal. We can move this to the right if we wanted to. And now we can also change the whole background, the whole theme of the whole PowerPoint into this. Any you like. We'll just keep it standard for the time being. In order to insert a slide, we can go to File, or if we go to Insert, New Slide, so Command Shift and N. If I was to do Command Shift and N, a new slide has been inserted. We can insert an image if we want to. So if I just make this smaller, insert an image of the sky. Resize an image if we need to. Put this in the middle if we want to, and say the sky. Same thing for this slide. Put this image in if we need to. The sky too. Okay, before we do anything, the main thing is to save your work. So Command S will actually allow you to save your work. So I'll just say presentation, and this will be saved on the desktop. So if I was to close this, I still have it on the desktop. So if I reopen this, so now we have it here. I can actually play the slideshow. So if I was to go to slideshow, play from the start, how to use PowerPoint. If I use the right arrow key, it takes me to the next slide, the sky. Press it again, it takes me to the sky, the next sky. If I can actually control this with my mouse, with my cursor, go back and forward. I can say previous, last viewed, go to slide. So if I go to first one, this is how you navigate. Okay, we can also insert many other things into this if we needed to, like a table or whatever. That's us inserting a table. If I resize the table, we can actually write something into the table if we need to. The sky is blue. That's our table. Okay, so we can actually put in some transitions if we are required to. So if I go to animations, click on this, so Command A, and then say appear. click on this and say blinds. Go to the next slide and say the sky, fly in, dissolve in. Go to the next slide and say blinds, wedge. This whole table will shape. Okay, so if we play this PowerPoint from the start using FN and F5, we are presented with a blank screen at the minute. So if I do next, it should show me how to use a PowerPoint. Next, my name comes up. We go to the next slide from this, the sky, a picture that dissolves in, and the next slide, the sky too. The sky is blue. Yes, the sky is, we don't know. No. So that's how you add the animations in. We can also do many other things with this. We can add a chart if we required to. So if we go here, put in a bar chart. So it opens Excel. We must have did this a long time ago. So if I just close this again. Make that more smaller. So the bar chart and the tables have been inserted. Smart art, we can also insert art if we need to. Insert a shape if we want to. Command Shift N. Okay, we have inserted many different other shapes. So a matrix. This can be moved from one place to another. Okay. So themes, tables, charts, smart art, transitions, animation, slideshow, review. That's how you actually use PowerPoint to create a slideshow that you can use in a presentation, in school, college, university, just to show off what you know. We can also add some notes if we are required to at the bottom. So as a reference, because of where the images are from, so I can go back to the web browser, copy this, go back to PowerPoint and say the image was taken from this website as a note, so I know what I'm referring to. So we have these notes. You can actually print these notes out. They won't be a part of the PowerPoint when you present the PowerPoint. You will have the notes with you in your hand. If I want to play from current slide, all you need to do is Command and Enter. And then you have the current slide being played. Okay. If I want to save this as a PDF, I would go to Save As and say Format PDF file onto the desktop. So if I just save this, you can go back to the desktop and here we have it. Double click this, resize it, go to the next one, next. This is now in the form of a PDF file. And there you go. So that's how you use PowerPoint to create slideshows for you to present in front of an organization, for a school project, college project, university project. And that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.